guys, venner, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. So guys, today is a very quick video. We are making kpakposhito or green chili sauce, okay guys? So I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below, okay? So just follow along. All right, so what you're going to do is add in your ginger, garlic, onion, spring onion, okay, and blend it into a fine paste. All right guys, yes. And afterwards you want to add in some oil in your saucepan and pour the paste in there. You want to fry this until there is no more moisture in the sauce. All right guys, it's as simple as that. As I said, it's quick, easy. This is called pak. All right guys, yes. All right guys, you also want to cover this and stir as time goes on, okay, because it tends to just jump or hop all over the place, if you understand me. All right guys, yes. So this is how the end product should look like. All right, so guys, this can be served with almost everything. You can get this with your angamu, you can eat this with your kenkey, you can eat this with your banku. Oh, you name it guys, it's as simple as that guys. This is the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it just like I enjoy making it. Do follow me on my social media handle on Instagram and on Snapchat. Until we meet again, the name is ABIJAIL, and I'm out. Peace.